Hello, dear viewers. My name is Ferdin Nouri, and I'm a migration consultant in Germany. Today, I would like to explain for you about the child benefit, which in German it is called Kindergeld, with different types of residence permits, permanent residence permit, and German citizenship. In this video, I'll explain for you what a child benefit or Kindergeld is, which German office pays it, how much it is, until which age one can get it, to whom it is paid, who can get it only under some certain circumstances, and who cannot get it. First of all, we should know what a child benefit or Kindergeld is. Kindergeld or child benefit is being paid by the Familienkasse of the employment agency or Agentur für Arbeit to the families to support them financially and help them provide their children a good life and a bright future. Since 1st of January 2023, the amount of this benefit for each child is 250 euros. Now we should know until which age one can get child benefit. All children get it until 18 years of age. Children who are doing a vocational training or Ausbildung or studying get it until the age of 25 years. The children who are still looking for a vocational training or because they have not found a place where to do their vocational training or waiting for it or looking for a study place to start their study or waiting for it also include the children who can get child benefit until the age of 25 years. Children who are jobless can get child benefit until the age of 25 years. The child benefit is paid for the person who raises the child and or takes care of the child. This person can be the father or the mother of the child, adoptive parents of the child, and under certain circumstances, it can be the step parents of the child, foster parents and siblings, or the grandparents of the child. If the child is with his or her parents can decide between themselves which one of them should receive the child benefit in his or her bank account. Now we should know who can get child benefit. The citizens of Germany who live together with their children in Germany, the foreigners who live in Germany under the following conditions: the citizens of European Union member states, Iceland, Liechtenstein, Norway, or Switzerland who live in Germany, the holders of permanent residence permit of Germany, the European Union permanent residence permit, European Union blue card, ICT card, or the holders of a type of residence permit based on which a person has the permission to work for at least 6 months in Germany. The holders of the asylum protection or refugee protection based on Geneva Convention in Germany. The citizens of Algeria, Bosnia, Herzegovina, Kosovo, Morocco, Montenegro, Serbia, Tunisia, or Turkey who are working in Germany and paying social security contributions or receive unemployment benefit or sickness benefit. It is worth mentioning that if the parents of the child are living outside Germany but pay income taxes to the German state or get pension benefits from the German state, can also get child benefit for their children from Germany. Now we should know who can get child benefit only under some certain circumstances. Here, by some certain circumstances, I mean that the holders of the residence permits, according to the sections of the Residence Act of Germany, which I have listed for you below, must have lived at least for 3 years in Germany with a residence permit, with a Duldung, or with a Gestattung. A Gestattung means a temporary residence permit which is given to the asylum seekers in a paper form during their asylum process in the Federal Office for Migration and Refugees of Germany and in the court. For the first time, it is issued in the Federal Office for Migration and Refugees of Germany for the asylum seeker, and it is then either extended by the same office or by the foreigner's office or by the Ausländerbehörde. Or if the holders of these types of the residence permits start to work before these 3 years in Germany are passed, or if they are in parental leave because of the fact that they have a newborn baby, or if they are getting unemployment benefit from the employment agency based on the third book of the Social Code of Germany, can also get child benefit for their children. The holders of the residence permits according to the sections below. Section 23, subsection 1 of the Residence Act of Germany because of a war in his or her home country. Section 23A, which is given to the asylum seeker based on the decision of the Hardship Commission or Härtefallkommission. Section 24, granting of residence permit for temporary protection. Section 25, subsection 3, ban on deportation or Abschiebungsverbot. Section 25, subsection 4, temporary residence for humanitarian reasons. Or Section 25, subsection 5 of the Residence Act because of the impossibility of leaving the country despite there is an obligation to leave the country. And now we should know who cannot get child benefit. Those who have a residence permit according to Section 16b of the Residence Act for the purpose of studying. Those who have a residence permit according to Section 16d of the Residence Act for the recognition of foreign professional qualifications. Those who have a residence permit according to Section 20, subsection 3 of the Residence Act for searching a job in Germany. The asylum seekers whose cases are still in the process and they have an Aufenthaltsgestattung, and the holders of a Duldung. However, the holders of a Beschäftigungsduldung, which means a Duldung for work or employment, can get the child benefit. Okay, dear viewers, I think for today this much information is enough. In my upcoming videos, I will try to provide for you some more information about it and explain for you about the fact that how you can fill in the application form of a child benefit and how you can apply for it. In addition, I will explain for you about the Kinderzuschlag, which in English means child allowance. Thanks a lot for watching my video. If you would like to get similar important information about the immigration laws in Germany, your rights and duties in German society, the living conditions in Germany, and other such important topics, please subscribe and follow our channel. If you have any questions or remarks about today's topic, you can write it under this video and I will be more than happy to answer it for you.